Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing whether it's the right time to replace your motherboard. When upgrading PCs, we usually add more RAM or replace processor, GPU or storage. Most of the time, our new components are still compatible with the old motherboard. However, there are times when replacing your motherboard is recommended or even deemed necessary. If you have an old motherboard, the manufacturer may no longer release new BIOS dates needed to support new processor models. This means your PC won't boot up when you install a new processor model. Replacing your motherboard also becomes necessary if your new processor requires new sockets. If Intel introduces a new LTA socket or AMD offers a new generation of AM socket, it's probably time to replace your motherboard. Budget motherboards often have only 2 RAM slots and don't have support for faster RAM speeds, which limit your option when upgrading RAM. If your PC still has DDR3 or DDR4 RAM modules, perhaps it's time to replace with one that supports DDR5 modules. This new RAM standard offers significant boost in computing and graphics performance. If you have an older motherboard, you won't be able to run Windows 11 due to the lack of TPM 2.0 support. TPM or Trusted Platform Module is a dedicated chip on the motherboard that allows hardware-based needed by BitLocker and Microsoft Hello authentication. If your current motherboard lacks TPM or has older TPM version, it's time to replace it. An older or low-end motherboard with low-tier chipset may still support the fastest GPU in the market, but you won't unlock its true potential. An older motherboard may support only slower PCIe 2.0 or 3.0, which will cause bottleneck. This means your motherboard is incapable of delivering optimum data rate for the fast GPU. Also, the VRM or voltage regulator module in low-end motherboard may overheat when you use a power-hungry GPU. An overheating VRM may cause instability or permanent damage to your motherboard. As mentioned above, an old or low-end motherboard usually supports slower PCIe standard. This doesn't affect only GPU performance, but also storage performance. PCIe 2.0 is adequate for typical hard drive, but not for fast SSD. If you plan to use a fast M.2 NVMe SSD, it's recommended to choose a motherboard with PCIe 4.0 support. New motherboards offer many other new features, not only TPM 2.0 chip and fast PCIe support. Your motherboard can be so old that it has no M.2 slot or fast NVMe SSD. Latest motherboards also offer SDME 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 standard, which work best for fastest GPUs in the market. I hope these tips will help you to choose the best motherboard for your needs. Thank you for visiting my channel and see you in my next videos.